Have you ever wondered how to select stocks with strong fundamentals? Let's unravel the mystery together. In the world of investing, the term fundamentals refers to the financial health and stability of a company. This includes a variety of financial and non-financial factors that can provide investors with a snapshot of a company's position and potential for growth. Firstly, revenue and earnings growth is a key area to focus on. Seek out companies that have demonstrated consistent growth over the past few years. This indicates a proven ability to generate profits, a vital aspect of any successful business. Then, probe into the company's profit margins. Healthy and sustainable profit margins are a positive sign, indicating that a company is efficiently converting sales into profits. Next, consider the company's return on equity and return on assets. These ratios show how effectively the company is using shareholder equity and assets to generate profits. Now let's turn to the balance sheet. A company's strength can be gauged by its debt levels. Those with lower levels of debt are generally more stable. Ratios like the current ratio and quick ratio can provide insights into the company's short-term liquidity and obligation meeting capacity. The quality of a company's management is another crucial factor. Look for companies where the promoters hold a significant stake and are increasing it consistently. However, be wary of companies where promoters have pledged a significant portion of their shares, as this could be a red flag indicating financial stress. Don't overlook a company's dividend history. A consistent and growing dividend history can imply a company's financial stability and confidence in future earnings. Corporate governance matters too. Companies that provide transparent and detailed financial statements and uphold ethical business practices are typically more trustworthy. Now look at the industry and the company's position in the market. Companies that hold a significant market share and are well positioned competitively are usually more reliable. When it comes to future growth prospects, consider the long-term trends and growth prospects of the industry. Also, evaluate the company's strategic plans and the management's ability to execute them. Finally, valuation metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio can help assess whether the stock is over or undervalued. In summary, selecting stocks with strong fundamentals involves a comprehensive evaluation of the company's financial health, balance sheet strength, management quality, dividend history, corporate governance, industry position, future growth prospects, and valuation metrics. Remember, a disciplined and well-researched approach can significantly increase the chances of a successful investment.